Hi, Frank Rose here at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island to show you our new 2021 150 Boston Whaler Montauk. This is a beautiful boat. It's on a console. It is powered with a 60-horse Mercury 4-stroke command thrust motor. You have a fold-out swim ladder here in the back. There are grab rails inside, cleats. You have the reversible pilot seat here. 12-gallon fuel tank underneath the seat. As you move forward, this one has been set up with the option of a Fusion Bluetooth stereo and speakers here. You can also get this with the Raymarine Axiom, GPS, fish finder, VHF radio. There are many options for this boat. This one's also equipped with a bimini, folding bimini top. You have storage underneath your console here. You have the option of getting covers for your pilot seat and your console here. This one's also set up with the fishing package. So it comes with a cooler seat, which is removable in the front, back pad, 4 rod holders, and on the other side there is a small door with 2 Plano boxes to keep extra tackle. This one's also equipped with a folding bow cushion, which you can weave in or take off. You have a nice non-skid deck here to use for a casting platform, and you have the split bow rail, nav lights. Boat is fully equipped. If you'd like one of these boats, please give us a call. My number is 210-630-3041. Again, I'm Frank Rose, MarineMax. Thank you very much for watching.